Hello and welcome to my Technology Project 1 presentation, The Showdown. I was told I needed some music, so here you go. So I decided to compare Edmodo with Google Classroom to see which one I like better and which one I could better integrate with my class that I teach. So here's Edmodo's logo, and here is Google Classroom's logo. And now we're going to go through and I'm going to show what I like about both of them, and I'm going to show and talk about why I liked one a little bit more than the other. So let's go ahead and check out Edmodo first. So here's Edmodo. Edmodo is nice because it has, first of all, a place where you can reach out to different people in your school district. I'm sure private schools, if they have a small community, they can do the same thing as well. My Edmodo, I have some teachers at my particular school that are part of Edmodo, and you could share with each other different things, different documents, different topics, and calendars as well. As I went through Edmodo, I saw that it's basically like a message board almost. It does integrate with Microsoft Office. It has a calendar, has progress of the individual students as far as how well they're doing in the class. There's a library, you can do messages, notifications, and you can add students pretty easily by creating a class, and adding their email address, or they could come find you and add you. Now, when we go over to Google Classroom, to me, it's more aesthetically pleasing the way it's set up. I made this page, it took me like 3 minutes to make this, but if you go here to the bottom right where that plus sign is, you have different posts you could reuse. You could create a question, create an assignment, or create an announcement. Now, I had an assessment that I made yesterday in my Google Forms. I'm able to integrate that into my Google Classroom, and the kids could actually take the test. I can grade it and see what they scored on the multiple choice or true false Google Forms test, which is pretty cool. Now, I really like Google Classroom myself because JCPS, they want people to get certified in Google Classroom because it's such a versatile system. So much so, I believe it hits Kentucky standards 6-1 or 6.1, 6.2 uses available technology to implement instruction that facilitates student learning. 6.4 uses available technology to assess and communicate student learning. So, like I said, you can give students a pretty quick feedback on how they did on something because they can see their grade and how they did, and maybe they can go through and see the answers that they missed and see what they need to work on for the future to get those progression points and to understand the material a little bit better. 6.5 demonstrates ethical and legal use of technology. So what I post on here is what they see. Okay, this is the kind of thing where parents get on here, students get on here, and they can see what's going on with their students if they're absent. This is a way for them to get material that they missed. I could upload a PowerPoint to Google Drives, and they can get what they missed. It also hits ISTE standards and the ISTE and ICS standards that were necessary for this assignment. So I'm going to tell you that the student or the winner is going to have to be, like I said, Google Classroom. Just because I personally liked it a whole lot better. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it.